Hello and welcome to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today we are in Praia de Luz, a very authentic and popular village. With a little church in town, close to the beach, lots of restaurants and cafes that are very important, they're open year-round. There is lots of international school, golf courses nearby, and community continues to grow. And this particular location is called Reserva da Luz, which represents a concentration of luxury big villas on a good sized plots with excellent big pools and fantastic ocean views. And without further ado, let me show you this property. This property is a 4-bedroom and 5-bathroom villa, and it has a very effective layout. When you enter the property from the main foyer, it smoothly transitions into the living and dining area with a cozy fireplace, and it represents almost like a U-shape where everything is focused into the center, and it transitions to the outdoor space to the pool and the outdoor area. The villa is split into 2 zones. So when you enter on the left side, there are 2 en-suites. On the right, there is a fully equipped kitchen, an office, and the main bedroom. And the best part of this villa that is on 1 level, and every room in this property goes to outside, to the best Algarvian feature, the outdoor living, where you enjoy the ocean view and fantastic outdoor space. This villa offers another level downstairs where you have the transformed garage into the very modern gym with the mirrored wall. There is 1 more ensuite which can be used as room or another office. Here you can enjoy incredible outdoor features, the barbecue area, lots of sitting area. Here is by the pool with fantastic ocean view and tropical garden. There are so many luxury features to this villa, and you can check them on the link below to this property. Thank you for taking this video tour with us. I will be more than happy to present this property to you. Give me a shout on the phone and see you on the next one.